afternoon. Already mentioned the presence of certain people here, but I do truly want to repeat how grateful and honored that you're here today with us. Judge Nelson Wolf, Mayor Ron Nierenberg, City Manager Eric Walsh, other officials from San Antonio, press, business partners, and all the friends and colleagues at Navistar. Today is a proud moment for Navistar and for myself. We're investing for the future, a future which we see very bright. And let me tell you why I believe in Navistar together with San Antonio. Starting with what Navistar brings. We bring here a modern company, a forward-leaning company into clean and safe technology. A company with strong aspirations to be the future leader in the transformation of transportation. In the coming 10 years, more will happen in the transportation sector than has happened the last 100. We also bring a company founded in 200 years of proud history, with very strong values based above all in people and trust. What do I see we get by coming here to San Antonio? First of all, we get a very supportive and caring local government. Secondly, the direct relations with leading centers of technology excellence. And third, and probably most important of all, we get great people to work with us. And I would like to center a little bit around people. As mentioned, what I see most important in everything we have ahead of us is the people that make the difference. And in this short visit that I've had since yesterday morning here in San Antonio, I've already found a very friendly, optimistic, ambitious, and a will of win in the people that I've met. And I'm sure that under the leadership of Rod here at the plant and Adam at the Advanced Technology Center, we will together bring with an inclusive, a diverse, and a speak-up culture in which we challenge ourselves and each other. And when we win and lose together, this is the perfect blend. Two great cultures meet here in San Antonio. And this is what will determine our future success. Personally, I'm very committed of this path. But here in Navistar in San Antonio, we also do an investment for the planet. The investment here is a key step towards a zero carbon operations and zero emission vehicles that this company has stated as a clear target for 2040. And we are committed to state-of-art sustainability stewardship, and we're ready to produce these zero-emission vehicles already here from day one. Close in time, already by 2030, we're convinced that more than 50% of the vehicles that leave this plant will be zero-emission vehicles. I would also like to take this great opportunity here on stage to very much congratulate Rod, Chris, Mark, and hundreds of others that I can't mention by name, but who've achieved this to set up this plant in record time, in record quality. I mean, I've been walking around. People have mentioned to me expressions such as goosebumps. I mean, in 2 years' time, in plain pandemic period, to reach targets in time and budget is remarkable. It's group benchmark and industry benchmark what you've achieved, so congratulate to that. And I was almost thinking, I'm glad you don't put on the music, because another fellow, well, now citizen of Texas, did a dance yesterday in Berlin when he inaugurated a factory. So I was tempted. I said to several, why don't you put on the music so I dance? But nobody's putting on the music, so I take that for no, you don't want me to dance. But that would be worth a lot of dancing, much more than the one in Berlin, to be doing this in Texas. And just to round off and finalize, And remember that we're here inaugurating the first truck assembly plant in the US since 1991. And at Navistar, we clearly understand our responsibility to create a better future for the generations to come. Be that our employees, our customers, or society abroad. And we truly believe in this future for Navistar, for America, and for San Antonio. That's why we've invested here, and that's why we're committed to continue investing. Thank you very much.